Hey.
Hi.
How are you? Can I get you guys on camera for Special Olympics?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. What's your name?
Claire.
All right. And what school are you with?
Middletown High School.
Oh, okay. And what race did you do?
I did the 100.
The 100?
No, the 400.
Oh, the 400.
No, you did the 100.
100.
Okay. And I'm gonna spell your name real quick, just so we have it. C-L-A-R-I-E.
No, A-I-R.
Clarine. C-L-A-I-R-E. Is that right?
Yep.
How do you spell your last name?
M-E-N-K-E.
Okay. And so you did the 100 meter.
Yep.
And so how did you do?
Good.
Good. And I see you have a dog here. What's his name?
Xavier.
Xavier.
Yep.
And does he get tired? Does he get winded?
Yep.
He does?
But he doesn't run with me.
Oh, he doesn't? Oh, okay. And so, how do you like the event so far? Just to be able to compete with all your friends?
Yep. And to be able to compete with people without disabilities.
It's cool to work with people with and without disabilities all together. So what does that mean to you to be able to come out here and do that?
It just makes me feel like I'm normal, that there can be limitations and not limitations.
In lane 5 from Forestville, Joshua Rice.
Well, that's great. Well, thank you so much for letting me talk to you. I appreciate it. And what's your name, buddy?
Doy.
Okay, let me get it. So it's D-U-A-N-E-E-L-L-I-S. I'm sorry. And you're with, what school are you with? You're with Forestville? And what events did you do today? Did you do the mini javelin and the 100 meter run? That's great. So I see you petting Big Xavier. Do you like him? That's cool, man. That's cool. And so how has the race been so far today?
It's been good.
It's been good? Has it been cool to compete with people with disabilities and without disabilities? All you guys all together as one?
Yeah.
That's great, man. That's great.